intricate world of photosynthesis, non-cyclic photophosphorylation is a vital light reaction that takes place in the thylakoid membrane. It's a process that helps plants convert light into life-sustaining energy. The journey begins with water. Light energy splits a water molecule, a process called photolysis, producing 2 electrons, 2 protons, and half an oxygen molecule. These electrons are transferred to Photosystem II, setting the process in motion. Within Photosystem II, chlorophyll pigments absorb photons, energizing the electrons. From phaeophytin, the electrons continue their journey, passing to plastoquinone, which carries them deeper into the thylakoid membrane. As electrons flow through carriers, protons are pumped into the thylakoid space, creating a proton gradient. This gradient powers ATP synthase, an enzyme that generates ATP as protons flow back into the stroma. This ATP will fuel the Calvin cycle later on. Next, the electrons reach Photosystem I. Here, they're boosted again by another photon. The highly excited electrons then move to ferredoxin NADP plus reductase, an enzyme that uses them to reduce NADP plus into NADPH, a crucial energy molecule. This entire pathway, known as the Z-scheme, creates a steady supply of ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. These molecules are essential for the plant's survival and for supporting life on Earth. Through this fascinating process of non-cyclic photophosphorylation, plants harness the power of sunlight, converting it into chemical energy. This energy, in the form of ATP and NADPH, fuels the Calvin cycle, where carbon dioxide is turned into the sugars that sustain life.